Hello, suppose it's given that dy is equal to tan theta, then what is the minimum error that is dy? What theta actually gives you the minimum error in dy? What theta gives minimum dy? That is error in y. Because when we write error, suppose x is the original quantity, and we write error in x, it is x plus minus delta x, or it is x plus minus delta x can also be written here as dx. Okay. Okay. So now what our question is what is the angle at which we get the minimum value of dy? Okay, so let's start it. See, dy by d theta, you can assume it that we are differentiating with respect to theta. So dy by d theta, you all know that differentiation tan theta is x square theta. So dy by d theta is actually x square theta. Now it's since it's x square theta, so placing d theta over that side, dy becomes sec square theta into d theta. Okay. And now since y is equal to d theta, I'm sorry, this is not dy, it's y actually. This is y. So d differential of y with respect to d theta is sec square theta. So dy is sec square theta into d theta as you see there. So if we do dy upon y, like you do in error delta x upon x, that is relative error in x. So if we calculate relative error in y, delta y by y or dy by y, what will it come? See carefully. It will come as sec square theta d theta. Sec square theta d theta. Dy is sec square theta d theta upon y. What is y? Y is in the question tan theta. Okay. So dy by y becomes sec square theta d theta upon tan theta. Now, if you know a bit of trigonometry, I am erasing this slide since we have to come to the answer, and I don't have any space over here, so let me use this space by erasing that. So if you know a bit of trigonometry, what will we give? It will give dy upon y. What is sec square theta? It is actually 1 upon cos square theta. Okay. So sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta. And what is tan theta? It is very common. You know, it's sin theta upon cos theta. It's sin theta upon cos theta. Now, if we cancel this cos theta and this cos square theta 1 power, that is, it becomes only cos theta, then we get as 1 upon sin theta, and d theta is also here, of course, d theta, d theta. We get d theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, we we get d theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now, what you have to do is just simply, you can see, you have remembered it in your class 10th or 12th maybe, that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. You are getting the sin theta cos theta. You know it's kind of a familiar expression if we multiply this by 2. So, what we have to do is, erasing this, right? What you have to do is, basically, you have to just multiply above and below by 2. So, it becomes 2 d theta upon 2 sin theta cos theta. or this can be written as 2d theta upon sine 2 theta. Now you see theta for minimum error in y, for minimum error in y. So this is what? This is basically dy upon y. Yes, dy upon y. For minimum error, it basically means minimum relative error only. So minimum relative error, you know, is it's delta y upon y or dy upon y. You can say it easily in case of division actually here. So dy upon y, this whole term has to be minimum. Okay. So this whole term 2 d theta sine 2 theta has to be minimum. So when it will be minimum, sine 2 theta has to be maximum over there. For this whole term 2 d theta upon sine 2 theta to be minimum, sine 2 theta alone, the denominator factor has to be maximum, because when the denominator is maximum, then only this expression becomes minimum. So sine 2 theta, you know what is the max value of sine 2 theta? What is the maximum value of sine theta? Maximum value of sine theta is definitely 1. So sine 2 theta also here maximum value. What is the maximum value? Sine 2 theta is equal to 1. That is the maximum value of this function sine 2 theta. So 2 theta, what is 1 actually? What angle of sine theta gives you 1? It is 90 degree. So 2 theta here becomes 90 degree, because whatever is in the sine, if it gives you a value of 1, then that whole area of angle should be 90 degrees. So 2 theta is equal to 90 degree, because sine 90 is 1. So here sine 2 theta is 1. Comparing both, we can get 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. Of course, if 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees, then it's very easy to say that theta is definitely equal to 45 degrees, which you may read as your final answer. So what was the final answer to this question? That what is the minimum relative error in y for what angle? Yes, the question was what is the value of theta for minimum relative error in y? So the answer here comes out to be 45 degrees, or you can even say it as pi by 4 radians. Yes, you know, because pi is 180 degrees, so pi by 4 radian would also be your answer. Thank you very much.